After a brief lull, Manipur is witnessing incidents of fresh violence as Kuki militants carried out attack on farmers at Saiton Wathalambi in Kumbi constituency today, killing a 29-year-old woman who was working at the paddy field. The incident occurred at around 11 p.m. today when armed Kuki militants fired indiscriminately towards farmers who were working at their paddy fields. Kuki militants fired several rounds of bullets from dumpy reserved forest range targeting innocent civilians. In the incident, a 29-year-old Sapam Sophia, wife of Sapam Dayananda from Saiton Gram Panchayat, Ward number 6, was hit by the bullets and was killed at the spot, while other farmers ran for their life. The deceased Sapam Sophia was survived by her husband, 2 sons and a daughter. Meanwhile, irate locals deposited the body of the woman at a nearby BSF camp, expressing their anger and disappointment over the inaction of BSF personnel who were stationed near the paddy fields. Villagers have also questioned the role of security forces as they have failed to protect the lives of civilians.